KorShoe is the perfect accessory for your NuroKor device. It's great for sore and aching feet or legs and helps with inflammation or swollen legs. It is also a great travel partner, perfect for long-haul flights to help prevent DVT or anywhere where you're stationary for a long time, even at the office. It's great for a lunchtime pick-me-up with your feet or legs. You clip the device wires directly onto the shoe. You can use the shoes as a pair, use them independently, or you can use them with pads. To use them as shoes, you simply clip the electrodes onto the shoe, plug it into your device, and put your feet firmly but comfortably into both shoes, making sure that the electrode points on the shoe are touching bare skin. Then, select the desired treatment mode on the device. If you're using one of the active apps, which is any of the apps excluding the MC2 microcurrent app, then you should increase the intensity slowly. What can happen is when the circulation in your feet or lower limbs is not great and you're using the shoes, you may be slightly desensitized because of the lack of circulation. As the circulation increases, so does the sensitivity. Be careful when turning up the intensity on the shoes and just do it in increments. Wait a few minutes, then you turn it up a little bit more. If you're using the shoes with pads, then you can simply put your foot in one shoe and a pad on the back of the calf or anywhere on the leg where you'd like to stimulate. It's particularly useful if you're wanting to stimulate the leg itself to have the shoe and the pad from the same electrode on the same leg. And you can just adjust the left and right sensitivity independently. If you decide to use microcurrent, remember that you won't feel any sensation, but the app is doing its job and you will see the benefit within the next day.